Hey everybody, this is Gabriel from Flashpricer, and in this video, I'm going to be running through how to set up a strategy for your private label branded products. Right now, I am on the strategies page in Flashpricer. All I have to do is click New Strategy, name the strategy. We'll just name it AI Private Label Strategy, and then choose the sales channel, so Amazon or Walmart. And then from here, type of selling, we'll choose private label / brand owner. Click Continue, and now we're at the next section where we can set up specific repricing rules if we wanted to. You don't have to set up these rules, but if you'd like, you can say, okay, I want to optimize for units sold. And so you can say, okay, once we hit these, we'll basically hit these thresholds before we start to optimize for profit. So for example, if you want to optimize for 1,000 units as your inventory threshold, that basically means if I have over 1,000 units, 1,000 pieces, then optimize for number of units sold first. And then once we fall below that threshold, then start to optimize for profit. Another thing you can do is set up average units sold threshold. So let's say I wanted to just set up an average unit sold threshold. So over here, it's set to 5. So basically that means only optimize for profit once we average 5 sales per day on average over the last 7 days. And then you do have the option to choose an and or functionality if you wanted to set for both an inventory threshold and an average unit sold threshold. And so that's for optimize for units sold. And then we have maintain inventory levels, which basically is to slow sales down, right? Like it's a low inventory threshold, which triggers, and just for an example, we can say, hey, at 100 units left, once I only have 100 units left, start to slow down sales so I can avoid stockouts. So if you wanted to set these repricing rules up, you can. If not, you can just keep them off. Totally up to you in terms of what you would like to do. You can create as many repricing strategies as you like. So if you wanted some items where you are optimizing for units sold and have inventory, maintaining inventory levels and setting a low inventory threshold, you can absolutely do that. Again, there's unlimited amounts of strategies you're allowed to create. We don't cap that. And then from here, click Continue to set up your min and max pricing. In order to reprice you, we need your cost, your mins, and your maxes. You can either manually set those, or if you'd like, once you add your costs, we can calculate the min and max for you based off of ROI, profit margin, or fixed profit. All you have to do is just tell us what ROIs you want us to stay in between, again, or profit margin or fixed profit. Once you're finished, you can click Review and Save Strategy and click Create Strategy. So that is how you create a private label AI optimized strategy within Flashpricer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at success@flashpricer.com. Thank you.